Hey guys, Harrison Richards here. Ergonomics is the science of making things comfortable and making things for the human body. You have a joint in your hand called the metacarpal phalangeal joint. We'll call it MCP for short. It's the joint that all of your tendons and ligaments flow over and move between while you're crocheting. And the width of that joint dictates how much pressure you have to apply while you're holding something. The further away an object is from that width, the more pressure you have to put in to hold it. So for example, with very small conventional crochet hooks, you have to apply a lot of pressure to hold the hook because the hook isn't made for the dimensions of your hand. But all Furls hooks are designed to fit into the MCP joint of the human hand. And this has three big benefits for you. First, and most obvious, your hands and wrists are going to be less tense. The less tense your hands are, the more you're going to prevent things like arthritis, carpal tunnel, and fibromyalgia. Second, because you're straining less, and there's less pressure on your hands, your motion is going to be more fluid, and you're going to notice that you crochet with more ease, and that's going to show in your stitches. Third, and finally, you're going to find that you're going to be able to work with a little bit more speed. Again, because you're putting less pressure into actually holding the crochet hook, you're going to be able to spend more time and energy and kind of that body attention to move through stitches a little bit faster. Now, all crocheters are different in terms of hand shape, hand size, and how they crochet, so everyone's going to notice these benefits and these differences a little bit differently. But if you're going to crochet hundreds of thousands of stitches in your lifetime, little differences like these make all the difference.